last weekend in 95, so you can say. It's here in Hermanni, Hermanstad, close to Martina Valgård, here in Helsinki, Sportsuppmann in Finland. It's interesting doors.
Yeah.
Beautiful interior. It's the original interior, but doesn't have the metal plate. Hopefully it has it in the Sega PNC. It was built in 1955. Turned 65 years old in 2020, modernized in 2000, and also turned 20 years old in 2020. December is age 6, no, age 5, 944, weight 6 floors. This has 2 rides. In the beginning of 2000. This village are finished everywhere.
Yeah.
Almost. Will be inspected this year in 2023. Yeah, there's still the Kone logo, that's why it's still the beginning of 2000. Yeah. Could have been green light also.
Inspekteert vai inspektēt, maintained by Kone.
Possibly they started to plan this in 1945, but the war interrupted that.
Yeah.
But it was ending then, but it was finalized 10 years later without any doors.
Yeah.
Because 1945 without any doors.
Yeah.
You've seen 1948 is the first one, I think.
That's
it.